Hi viewers, today we'll be touring this amazing 5-bedroom fully detached home. It's quite spacious, the compound space is also spacious. You have natural lighting. It's actually perfect for a family home. The ambience of the estate is also amazing. Now before I flip the camera and show you in details what this property looks like, you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that. Turn on your notification bell so you are the first to see further housing tours like this. Welcome home. Okay, so before we go inside, this is what the environment looks like. So you see it's in a very, very perfect estate. So we'll be touring this. There are 2 units of 5-bedroom fully detached home. This one and this one currently available in the market. They just finished building it, so it's still fresh in the market. But like you know, it won't stay long in the market. So this is a compound space which can take up to 4 or 5 cars. It's quite spacious. So this is the home. This is the home. You see that the windows flows from the ceiling down to the floor. Okay. So let's see what the inside looks like. So you're welcomed by this flower here and our signature gigantic door. So by my right, you have this mini open space which leads you straight to the visitor's toilet. So this is the visitor's toilet. And you know me, I love high ceilings. And this house was built for that. So this is the sitting area, primary sitting area. Go like this. I have one window here. This is the TV console. You have lights. You have another window here. And you have this open window view where you can have access to the pool. Well, honest opinion, this pool is not big as it should, but it's not a deal breaker. The house is actually nice. So you have this mini decor just underneath the staircase. And you also have this open area that flows from the sitting room. And you can also access the pool from this door or from outside. Remember, it's a 5-bedroom fully detached. You have one room downstairs with its private bathroom. And over here, we have the kitchen. I love the kitchen, and I'm sure you will too. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. So on this side, you have your double door refrigerator. You have your oven, you have your microwave, and you have other compartments too where you can store your things. You have one here, and you also have one here. As usual, you have your gas burner, you have your heat extractor, you have a space for your washing machine. Okay, then this is the store, the mini store where you can store your stuff, and this door leads you to the backyard. So let's take one more view for the kitchen before we go upstairs. So this is it. So let's go upstairs and see what they have upstairs. Okay, so this is the staircase, and of course, when you're climbing on top of it, it brings out the lightning. So when you get here, this is your secondary area, secondary living area where you can also furnish. So let's start with this room here. So you have this room here. Let me show you guys the ceiling. So you have this room here. You have the wardrobe. You have the bathroom here. We also have one room just beside this one we just saw. This looks bigger with the wardrobe obviously times 2 of what we just saw. This is not the master's bed, mind you, with its bathroom obviously more bigger. So let's see the other rooms. So we have 2 more rooms to see. So we have one here, that's a master's, but let's see this before we go there. So this is another one. With its bathroom. So let's see the master's bedroom. So you have this walkway. Oh, we also have one room, but this room can serve as a study. This room can serve as a study or a gym. I don't know. I don't know if this, but I mean, I love to read. And I definitely want to have my reading space in my home. So I would definitely turn this to my study. Okay? So you can use it for whatever you want. So 5-bedroom with an extra room. So this is the master's bed. Ooh, massive. So this is the master's bed. This is the master's bed. Then you have your walk-in closet here. You have your walk-in closets on both sides. Then this is the bathroom where you have your bathtub. You have these 2 stuffs here, one for Oga, one for Madam. And this is me. Then you have your walk-in shower here. Well, developers always put keen interest on the master's bed. So this is it. Then the master's has access to the rooftop. Let's check where this door leads us. Okay, so it has a mini balcony here. And from here, you have access to your neighborhood. So you see, you are in a well-developed neighborhood, right? So the details, as usual, will be in the description box. If you're looking to get a home in 2026 around VGC, Lekki, this is beautiful and you should consider it. So do have to give me a call for private viewing and we'll take it up from there. Thank you very much.